Hello there. My name is Cynthia Carroll, and I've been practicing consumer bankruptcy law for over 25 years in Delaware. And there's one question that I get asked frequently. How long does bankruptcy stay on your credit? What people should be asking me is how long will it take for me to rebound after I file bankruptcy? See, there's a common misconception that if you file bankruptcy, it's going to ruin your credit for 10 years. Don't believe the hype. In fact, many of my clients file bankruptcy and they enjoy a 720 or above credit score 12 to 24 months after their bankruptcy case is discharged. To find out more about it, download my book, Rebuilding Your Life After Bankruptcy. It's easier than you think. There's a link down in the description.